Stitching in the ditch is not that hard, but it can be. John and I have been talking about various levels of aversion to stitching in the ditch. Is fold back. So here we've got our collar open here. We've got our seam allowance. I'm going to fold my seam allowance over and back. So the idea is that you want to be stitching right along this edge, and you want to be catching right in this edge here. So ideally we're going to be just over this line of stitching, which means that we shouldn't see it. I'm pulling on my piece here, and I'm just checking every now and then. If you're not applying tension, for this to start to migrate, right? It's either in one direction or the other. And what ends up happening then is that you always end up with these pull lines. So either going in one direction or going in the other direction. One way that you can tell that things are going well, you should just be hearing a consistent sound of needle punching through the fabric. If it starts sounding a lot heavier, it means that you've caught onto the other side. This side is looking pretty good. Johnny, what's gonna happen? All right, we're looking pretty good. Ideally, when I go to press this, I have a little bit of extra on this under collar here. What that's gonna do is actually just fold right over that stitch. So hopefully we'll hide any stitching that we do see.